funny how I always see your face when I hear that song. And it's funny how I always think of you when I try to move.
No, don't get into my book.
We need a nice view of it.
Look at this amazing view.
We are.
The first eruption was 2 million years ago, but the second one was like 7,000 years ago.
700,000.
Yeah, 700,000 years ago, which caused Mauritius. And that is the crater that leads to Looking Frog.
Bonjour.
Speak English.
Yeah.
South African. What if a frog thinks I'm calling it and comes to me? Mate.
Well, look at this view. It's even better.
There's a trail. Look at it.
I know, I see the trail. I'm trying to get it on the video. I can't seem to find it.
So we walk around there.
Oh yeah, there, right there. There's like right there, like over there
But
somewhere.
it looks steep.
I know.
Let's do it.
My dad's making a friend.
Yeah. And in the bus.
I see you are making a friend.
You look like a Mauritian.
Cameraman. Because for 2 years, you know, when COVID started, there were no flights.
Yeah.
And so I couldn't come here, and I didn't see this person for 2 whole years. So as soon as the flights opened up, I came again.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Would you making a friend?
Yeah, these are no real gems.
Which stones are there? I see turquoise.
Turquoise, jade stone, the tiger eye, agate stone is a blue moon stone. Amethyst, lapis lazuli.
Are you? This is so pretty though, actually. You have to
Chocolate and vanilla.
You see that big waterfall over there? That is the last place where the giants kicked it before they went extinct. Now, let's go find some shade and sit down, shall we? I see a tree over there, so we can just go and chill there. 'Cause why not? Yeet! Perfect! Now let's go to the tree before the sun comes.
Before the tree runs away.
Yeah.
It is.
We gotta mute it. I feel like I'm about to fall, but it's fine.
You, but it's so good. I've never dreamed of nobody like you. And I heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are the love of mine. Forever in your eyes, I feel okay when I see you smile. Of a love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are the love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'd be mine. But I won't let it go on longer. Time is making these feelings stronger. I'll always be phone call away. Oh, I'm gonna shout out loud like thunder that hurting you was my biggest blunder. I'm gonna make it all okay.
I'm having a cheese with a baguette with cheese, some more lettuce, pesto and basil, and some fries. This is the chili fillet. Oh my god. Why do I put myself through this? Yeah, this should be a new challenge. Let me taste